Hey, we want to thank you guys for making 2019 a record year for us. We actually moved more volume of product than we ever have in the past, and I want to thank you for that. You're responsible for making it happen. But I want to talk about what that means to you, as far as it means to us, as far as the ecological side of what we've done here. And we're going to make this a very short little brief statement, but essentially we rescued close to 2 million pounds of recycled material from the landfills last year to create UltraBase Professional, Champion, and the Tour Links panels. 2 million pounds. And we've been doing this now since 2004 when I started with Tour Links, and since the beginning of UltraBase have always been a recycled material. And there is a difference between recycled and recyclable. We are both. Many of our products are made from product that was scrap, coming out of post-industrial factories, and being recompounded and turned into a new product that we have developed that works tremendous for the UltraBase system. But all these materials also are recyclable, meaning that a panel someday could be chopped up and put back into the blenders and then turned into a park bench. So it's a great story for the architects, engineers, and homeowners and installers to know that we are a recycled material in many cases and 100% recyclable. Things like our court panels are more of a virgin material that is more of just a recycled material, but still has that green story. The other side of this is the greenhouse gas effects. And without getting into a lot of math, if you were to take an athletic field of 80,000 square feet and calculate the amount of CO2 emissions in metric tons, which is how it's measured, we are 7 to 1 better than traditional stone installation. That would be the number of trucks. We calculated 100 trucks, 50 going in and 50 going out, taking out 6 inches of stone and bringing, or 6 inches of earth and bringing in 6 inches of stone, compared to 2 truckloads of UltraBase coming in. 7 to 1 reduction in greenhouse gas emittance. So it's a good story. It's an important story. It's a responsible story, and we're proud to be leading the way in this industry of creating a much safer and ecologically responsible product to the synthetic turf industry.